Transfers, remittances, and bills payments. These things have become easier thanks to the rise of e-wallets. Payloro's Pam Toledo joins us now to share the benefits of going cashless. Pam, thank you so much for joining us. Off the bat, I have to ask you this question. How different is Payloro as an e-wallet and a payment gateway service, of course, from the more popular e-wallet services around, like GCash or Maya?
Yes, yeah, thanks, Rico. What makes Payloro different is number one, we are convenient and we are secure and reliable. Plus, of course, we offer lower fees in the market today. And of course, our registration process is aligned with online banking way, so that we want to feel our users very secured while using our app.
But
as well as our payment.
But of course, your competitors will also say the same thing, no? They are also secure and reliable and have much more merchants and users and registered subscribers more than Payloro.
Yes, that's right. Because Payloro, we just recently launched our brand in the market. And we don't want to position ourselves as a competitor of these big players in the market nowadays. But we want to complement to them. Because number one, if you talk about e-wallet, there's a threshold when you use that. And of course, Payloro is not only an e-wallet app, but we are also a payment gateway provider.
And when you say payment gateway provider, what do you mean by that?
Well, we serve not just the individuals, meaning the individual subscribers, but we also cater those different businesses, such as e-commerce, lending companies, etc.
And what is the differentiation? What would you say is a service that you have that GCash and Maya do not have?
Well, actually, to be honest, we are similar. We offer similar products and services. But again, the way we cater our market is different. Like for Payloro, we don't really focus more on urban areas because our focus is more of the countryside. Because we want to educate and we want to introduce this type of technology outside of the urban areas.
And how many users and merchant partners does Payloro already have at the moment, Pam?
Well, right now we do have substantial subscriber base already. And as we move forward, we have already increased to 50% with our current subscriber base. And of course, we are very grateful and happy with what we have at the moment.
And of course, Pam, no, everyone is very, very concerned about sharing their information, security on the digital platform. And we've seen a lot of phishing emails and text scams lately. How is Payloro safeguarding the confidential information of its customers and sellers?
Yeah, of course, we have different policies in place right now. And number one is the data privacy. Currently, we do have our own data privacy officers. We do have also our compliance as well as our risk and fraud team that ensures any incoming data that we get is well protected.
And of course, there are a lot of groups as well, scammers with text scams using your name, offering high salary jobs, tricking users into clicking suspicious links.
Yeah, correct. Well, I'm very proud to share this, that Payloro, since we launched, we have zero scam and fraud because our system is well secured, our technology. And of course, we have a very stringent risk and fraud team that monitors all the transactions inside our system and make sure that these transactions are all authentic and well validated.
And how often do you update your security features?
Well, actually, we do that every quarter. In order to mitigate this type of scam, theft, and fraud.
And what is your advice to users? How can they protect their accounts from scams? Because scammers right now are more sophisticated. They're always one step or two steps ahead of the e-wallet company.
Well, like I said, Payloro, we do have our very stringent security in place on how we mitigate this type of incidents. And of course, this is my advice to all our users. Make sure that your account is well registered. You've undergone process wherein your KYC is being protected. All your data are well protected. And of course, those scammers, those hackers will just trigger if they know that your account is not protected properly.
And what other innovations can our kababayans expect going forward from Payloro?
Well, we are targeting this year, by end of the year, to have 1 million of subscribers. So one of our innovation plan actually is to transition to our hybrid, meaning we will introduce a more high-tech technology or app in the market, but it's a user-friendly, and we make sure that it is applicable to all ages.
Pam Toledo, thank you so much for joining us on The Final Word from Payloro.